Hey folks, what's up? So in this video, I will show you how to completely remove or uninstall Java JDK from your Windows machine. So first, let's check the currently installed Java version in this machine. So I go to command prompt and type Java C command and hit enter. So you can see there is Java version installed in this machine. So now let's see how to uninstall this Java version. So to uninstall this, go to Control Panel and go to the uninstall program and uh, click on this install Java version. So in here, as you can see, I have installed Java version 21.0.4. So select that installed version and hit uninstall, and it will ask you something like this, and just hit yes, and it will completely remove the Java from your Windows machine. So after uninstalling that, let's check if it is completely uninstalled or not using Java C command again. So you can see now it shows this message: Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command of operatable program or batch file. So that means Java is completely uninstalled. So if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button. So see you in the next video.